Hey, maybe it's late in the day. It's 5 o'clock on Wednesday, and I was watching one of many different tutorials that there's at Google. But this one guy was putting little icons in the titles or in the topic titles. So, like, how did he do that? So I want to show you. Maybe you guys already know, but I didn't, and I thought it was pretty cool, pretty simple. Shows you how where I'm at, I guess. So let's say I want to create a new title or edit one, doesn't matter, or a new topic, I should say. I want to put an icon in there. So the website he gave me was actually Go or Get Emoji. So just getemoji.com. Type in something that you would like. Let's say student. And then there's a bunch of different things here that you can put in. I'll put a student with a cap and gown. Oh, there's different versions. Nice, even better. But you just hit copy here. It's copied. I go back to my classroom, paste it in there, and then I can say student examples. Hit add. Boom, student examples. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd share that little nugget with you. Have a great day.